Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Yvette's Food Lab. I call this space my lab because this is where I experiment with food. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and for watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this yummy recipe of Scotch egg. So if you're interested, come over with me to my lab and I'll show you how to make this recipe. So I'll see you in a minute.
So I'm gonna start by showing you the ingredients. So here I have ground beef. So this is a mixture of lean ground beef and lean ground chicken. Then I have 2 raw eggs that I beat in here in a bowl. Then I have some breadcrumbs. So this is Italian style breadcrumbs, guys. You can find this from any store. Then I have my hard-boiled eggs that I already peeled here. And then I have some all-purpose flour, and here I just have a list of the ingredients that I'm gonna use to season my ground beef. So let me show you what they are. So here it's just chopped red onions, some scallion, and some mixed herbs. So you can use any herbs of your choice. Then I have some black pepper right there, some paprika, some dried ground garlics, then pink Himalayan salt, and then here I have chicken broth powder. So that's what I'm gonna be using, guys. And when it comes to this stuff, you can tweak it and make it your own, really. So I'm just going to take all of this and pour it into my my ground beef and chicken. So you can use just ground beef or ground chicken if you want, guys, just to try to make this yours, really. Yeah, so I'm gonna just have that in there. Bring it closer so you can see. Then I'm just gonna mix those in my ground beef. You can also use ground pork, guys, if you want. Want to make sure that you have that all of this seasonings well coated, well mixed in there. Okay, so I think everything is nicely mixed now, guys, and I'm just gonna go ahead now and start coating on my egg. Okay, guys, so we'll start by taking a little bit of flour into my palm, like so. Then I'll take some, just maybe a little bit here, a little bit more. Then I'll take some ground beef, like a heaping tablespoon into my palm, and I'll flatten it out a little bit with a spoon. Then I'll put a little bit of flour on that. Then I'll grab a hard-boiled egg and then kind of roll that over it. Just coat the entire egg. The goal is to coat the entire egg with the seasoned ground beef or ground pork or ground chicken, whichever one you're using. And then just put it back into all-purpose flour. Roll it in there. Then bring it out and coat it a little bit more. This is what it looks, and then we'll dip it into some raw eggs. Roll it in there. Take it out. And then roll it in breadcrumbs. There you go, guys. And then set it aside. And then do the next one. It's kind of a messy process, guys, to be honest. I have everything set now, guys. So all that is left is to deep fry. So let's go to my stove and deep fry these babies and see what they taste like. Okay, now it's time to deep fry, guys, so let's do it. I already have my oil on heated at medium, so it's hot enough to start the frying process. So let's do it. So I'm gonna dip it in here one at a time. So I have 6 of them, so I'm only gonna fry 3 at a time. Meanwhile, we need to flip the side so that it cooks evenly. All the sides can cook well. I'm satisfied with this color, guys. This looks nicely golden brown. And I'm just gonna take that out of the oil. I think it's properly cooked now. Look at that. So I'm just gonna let this sit and cool down a little bit, and then I'll cut it into 2 so we can both discover what's in the inside. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, everything is now nicely cooked and it's now time for a test. So we'll do a knife test and see what it looks like on the inside. There. Looks so nice. You can see the yellow in the middle, nicely cooked and stuff like that. So that's it guys for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And also leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this recipe. And if you try the recipe at home, please let me know what you think. Thank you. God bless you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.